This video is about my trip to Catherine Abbey Hanna Park near Jacksonville, Florida today, and I'm calling it a bird's eye view. I think it's obvious why. So this first bird we're looking at is the great egret. As you can see, it's nesting. You'll see in just a few seconds its young popping up out of this nest. I have even more, and I'm probably going to create yet another video. There it is right there, you see that? Yeah, and now the next thing is going to be the double-crested cormorant. Okay, so that's what that is right there. And they were on the same little island the great egret was on. This is really interesting to see the double-crested cormorants right next to the great egrets. This island is full of both species of birds, and it's just a little island in the middle of the lake there. Okay, and so here's more pictures of the mother egret feeding her young. This next species is the tricolored heron, and it's a beautiful blue color in this case. They do range in different colors. We're back to the double-crested cormorants. Now, you will sometimes see anhingas mixed with them, but these are definitely cormorants. Just makes that place so fantastically interesting. I mean, just seeing all these birds coming in for a landing on these trees. There's palms, and there's this old tree that's dead. The next species is the American coot, and it's standing out there on some sort of drainage system right in the middle of the lake. The last species in this video is the common gallinule. True to form, it lives close to the marshes, swims on the lake, and it's described as a marsh-like hen. This is a full-grown adult of the species. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video.